Hey, what's up, Charter fam? This video here, we're just looking for a position in Gummy. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Thanks for joining the show today. First off, I am not a financial advisor, just a lonely crypto bro who loves investing in different crypto projects. Do not invest in a crypto project that we may bring to the table, all right? Join our Telegram group, links in the description, where we find and share new crypto project info. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, because this is crypto, baby. You'll go broke. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we're at 16 cents now. I've been watching it ever since it first released, and it's one of those tokens where I just bought a little bit in the beginning, just a little bit, and didn't think that it was gonna do what it did. It is going crazy. So the best thing about this token, I will say, about Gummy, is the fact that we know the face behind the token, and you know, it's not anonymous, anything like that. So, you know, let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. We should not make this video too long, but we're starting off on the daily chart. It's going to be on the daily. We are on deck screener right now. Looks like it's full blown. It's going up. All right, so let's go here to the 4 hour. It's been kind of pulling back a little bit, but it's been ranging in the 16 cent area for majority of the day. Let's go to the 15-minute chart here. Let's go ahead and whoop it like this a little bit. So just kind of like all what we've been looking at. The token is still really new. I've been watching it. I actually was trying to get it here. It whipped down to about that 11-12 cent mark, and then it popped back up really fast. Okay, so I kind of missed that, and I was gonna get in a little bit ago, but it just keeps flirting around this 16 cent mark. I see my famous, well, I'm very sure that you guys have a different technical term for it. I call it my famous M pattern, okay? So when I see this M pattern just like this, which I see it on a lot of different meme coins, I expect it to go down. But sometimes I've noticed, sometimes it won't go down on my M pattern. Sometimes it'll do this kind of range for a split second and then pull back this way. And this move here where it ranged and then pulled up is what Gummy has been doing. It's been forming this little M pattern a little bit, but instead of going down like I'm expecting it, it would do something like this and it would go back up. So where it's just the bulls are in the house. It has lots of buy pressure. The bears have really been kind of controlling things, but the bulls have been letting them only control things to a certain point. The bulls are it would seeming like it's like the bulls are allowing the bears to come in and bring the price down a little bit. Once the bears bring the price down to where they want it to be at, then the bulls will destroy the bears and come back in and bring that price right back up to where they want it. So right now we're at that 1608 level, and it is actively slowly going down, okay, which is a good thing, because if it does go down, that means that we can probably get a better position, okay, a better entry, because that's the whole point of what we're looking for. So this is the 15. So let's see what we're looking at. We're going to jump all the way down to that 1 second chart. It's going to reset our chart view here. Look at that. It's going down. Yeah. Okay, so, and I say y'all, like I said, because we're trying to get in, okay? And it's crazy right now. This right here, this 1 minute, the 1 second chart is too much noise right now, okay? So let's go ahead and go up one level, and that's what you have to do. If you pull that 1 second chart down, when you get ready to get into your position, you want to be looking at that 1 second chart. I'm sorry. You know, that 1 second chart will, you know, those couple of seconds is just vital to your entry. So 1607, 1606. Okay, let's see how far. It seems like they're trying to pull it down, but look down here in the buy orders. Look at the buy orders. They're coming in. Yeah, the bears are winning right now. We are actually too far down the book there. The bears are coming in. The bears are pulling it down. So that's a good thing, okay? Because I'm hoping that it at least jumps all the way down. So let's back up a little bit, okay? Let's back up, reset, re-whoop, okay? Bring it down and stretch it out, all right? So it's sort of living by It's sort of living by that little M pattern. The question is how far it's going to go down. Let's bop those off. Let's switch up and let's pull up our rectangles here. I'm just going to mark this area just to kind of see what's going on here. Okay. I'm not going to worry about nothing up. So this is going to be the 16 cents area. And this is where it wicked down to. It wicked down to 11.96. It was 11 cents. So 11.96 area, and then it pulled back really quick. So it just wicked down there and came right back up. Probably bot action or something like that. But it's just been going up, and then it pulled back again at the 14 cent mark. That's where I was gonna try to get in right there. Ended up having to do something real quick, and my ducks were not aligned. I had to move some Solana, blah 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 blah. Before I knew it, it was all the way back up here to 17. So I got frustrated and I said, okay, cool. I'm gonna just wait a little while. So I've been keeping my eyes on these charts. Not a lot of buy orders are coming in right now. The chart is actually kind of starting to cool down a little bit. See, look, there's lots of buy orders. We got another big sell order that just came through, and that was for 1,500. That's a good thing though, because there was a $2,000 buy or a $2,800 buy, and then you have a $1,500 sell order that just popped out. So it's not really going to do too much to it, to the price. But next thing you know, if you look over here, right behind that $1,500 order, you got about an $800, a $400, and they're taking off a $1,000 here. But then you have a $1,600 coming in there. So as you can see, it's kind of evening itself out a little bit. But the bears are trying to push. They're pushing. But the bulls aren't having it. The bulls are probably going to sit back. Look at these little 1 cent. These little 1 cent purchases. It'd be killing me. I see these on a lot of Memecoin charts. I don't know what they mean. I don't know what that is. But I don't know why someone is doing 1 cent charges. If you guys know, oh look, it's all by the same wallet too. If you guys know what's going on or what's going on with that, let me know down in the comments. I've been wondering that because I see that on a bunch of different meme coins. These someone comes in with this 1 cent buy all the time. So I don't know what you're accomplishing by buying 1 cent worth of the token, or if that's trying to push the buys up or something, or maybe push the sales down, maybe putting in a whole bunch of 1 cent sell orders to push the price down. But then this is big money they're playing with. This I haven't seen, they're not playing with a lot of like $10, $5 orders and stuff. You see some out there, but you see big money out there. So I don't know how these 1 cent moves on the sell side or on the buy side. I don't see how they won't be able to move the charts at all. But whatever, if you guys know what this stuff is about, you guys let me know down in the comments. But it's 1609 right now, and like I said, all we're trying to do is get the best position possible. I mean, buying in around the 16 cent mark right now, from what I'm noticing, might be a good little buy. They are not letting this price drop. When it comes down, I mean, I'm surprised they let it get back down to the 11 cent mark. Okay, they let it get down to that 11 cent mark, and they immediately brought it right back up. So took out, here's a $1,000 that just pulled. Let's go ahead and get a position. Okay, we'll take a position at 1609, but I'd rather it drop more. But a couple cents here, a couple cents there, blah 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 blah. Okay. So you're going to see a little bit of Gummy that I bought the other day. Like I said, yes, it was a little bit of Gummy. Just a little bit that I bought. Okay, we're up 0.13% or 13 cents on the Gummy in here. So it's not that bad. Okay, so we got about $5 in here. See, my ducks are not in a row. All right, so how about this? What we're going to do is we're going to buy this amount of Gummy. And then we will, let me see. Let's check the time. Okay, time is always a factor. Time waits for no man. Okay. Let me see. Hold on. What I'm gonna do, I have my Solana on a different Phantom wallet. So we'll put it into here. So we'll here go to receive. there. Boom. Boomba. I'll send over for right now. Let's send over 0.80 Solana. 0. Yeah, let's put 0.80 Solana for right now. Okay. So this. Make sure the addresses are correct, and we're gonna send that. So it says that it is sending here. Okay. While this is sending and doing its thing, we're just gonna keep our eyes on this chart. This chart is pulling down. We're lucky us, lucky me. We're at 15 cents, 15.96. That is lovely. Okay. It's sent. All right, so we'll see if we got it in our wallet. Yeah, that's a lovely thing. It's pulling. The bears are fighting, but it's pulling. So as you can see, the reason why I say you want to kind of watch these charts and you want to wait. Okay, I know you want to get into this position bad. You know, I know time might be pressing you like it's pressing me right now. But I'm going to tell you this. Remember all those buy orders that you see on here? All those buy orders that you see? These buy orders were just in here coming crazy. You know what I mean? Whoa. It was just going crazy over here. Okay, all these buy orders were just coming in, and now then the chart kept dropping. That's what happens when you do not look at the charts when you try to get in. Okay. Now we are on the 15-minute chart. When we get ready to enter, we're gonna jump to this 1 second chart. But you can see that it's coming down. And everyone that's buying in right now, it's pretty much they're fighting it. It's like it's putting a whole bunch of people, it's like putting a whole bunch of people in front of a wall. On the other side is water. And everyone is pushing, push. Those are the bears. Push. They're trying to pushing that price down. Those are the bulls pushing on that wall. And the bears is the water. Okay, that's the wave that is coming indefinitely. But the bears right now, the bulls, these are these guys that are buying in. They are holding in front of that wall. They are trying to hold that wall. They're holding that water on the other side of that wall. Next thing you know, as you can see, the water is just slowly coming over the wall and making everyone drown. Because everyone who's buying in is just all going to be in the negative. Now, if they end up turning the chart around, if they can make it do something like this, they'll be in the green. But if this chart keeps doing that, they're all in the red. So basically, with that long explanation, you just want to make sure that you are watching these charts before you are getting into, these tokens. That way you can get the best position possible. Okay, so let's re-whoop this. It's going down. It's starting to come back now. Okay, this is the 1 second chart. You see, we've seen something different on that 15-minute chart. Okay, so we will. It's 1581. I don't know if they're gonna allow us to, go down any farther. But let's see if we can get in. Let's check. Our Solana is there. Okay, so we'll go here to our Gummy. We'll swap. Come on, move faster. Wow. I should have just put it in my bot. Okay, so it just wants to be difficult. Let me see if I can just find it. Here, boom. We're not gonna go max, but I'll go like let's do something like we'll do 0.3 in Gummy. Okay, review, swap. Let's go for it. See, now as you can see, that chart's moving fast down there. It's moving quick. Okay, that's good. This is going to go into our HODL wallet. So we're not really worried about short-term price action, but we are worried about getting a best position that we can get right now. What the best position would have been was when getting into it, into it around that 4-cent mark, 5-cent mark, where I should have, but I didn't. You know what I mean? I didn't make that move. I wasn't convinced. And then as soon as it started moving, all of a sudden now you get convinced. It's too late now. Price is already like 3 times as high. But anyways, now let's check our HODL wallet. The transaction went through. So we got about 52 bucks in Gummy, which gave us about 328 shares of the Gummy token. And then we're just gonna hold this, okay? And if it does, another 50 million X's or whatever the case may be, we will be in a good position. Land Wolf dropped down to 25 cents, getting kind of beat up. Punky token's kind of down right now. We got about 82 bucks in Solana, and we have some more Solana in our other wallet. So we're gonna do some things in a little while. I gotta get up out of here, you guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. When did you guys get into Gummy? When did you guys get into Gummy? Did you get a good price? Let me know, you guys. Have a good one.